This is a new type of high-precision professional capsule filling machine. Compared with other models, it has the following advantages. The fixing hole for the filling rod is made from copper, not aluminum. More durable and stable, the precision is still high, after long time running. The plate under dosing disc is made from copper, not aluminum. After long time running, we can polish the copper part and continue to use it. The outer edge is processed by curve grinder, reduce the noise, making the matching between the surface with bearing better and more stable. The capsule feeding, delivery part are all made from stainless steel 304, not aluminum. The thickness of door frame is at 5 mm. Adopt Siemens PLC, and touch screen is standard. Models above 1,200. Auto lubrication system. Cam indexing models are higher than other models, such as 400 model, use 80, and 100 plus models instead of dual 80. More details, please contact me.